Body shaming Nati, the Nati from Kiss of Life. Y'all are insane. And also, before you body shame a K-pop idol or anyone else, look at yourself in the mirror first before you start judging, okay? Look at this glow on my skin. Ooh. Okay, so since I am very lazy today, I am going to be putting on one skincare item, and this is a skin barrier gel. Oh my gosh, look at this. I want to eat it so bad, but I'm going to put it on my skin. So anyways, going back to my point, I see y'all attacking Nati for seemingly to have gained weight on a specific video. Like, are you guys for real right now? First of all, everyone can look a little bit puffier when it comes to certain cameras. Secondly, even in the video, she doesn't even look like she gained weight. Like, yeah, maybe she's a little bit chubbier than before, but that's what happens when you're a full-grown ass adult. It's normal to gain weight. Like, you guys are acting as if K-pop idols are not even human. And lastly, she is hotter than most of y'all. Like, all of y'all combined together cannot even compete with her hotness. Even if she gained like 30 pounds, I'm pretty sure she's going to be hotter than the rest of us. Literally, there's no in between with y'all. Like, if a K-pop idol is way too skinny, all of a sudden she has eating disorders. But once they seem like they gained a little bit of weight and look healthier, you guys start attacking them and pressure them into having a disorder. Body shaming is not cool at all. Like, that is not the vibe around here. Anyways, can we appreciate my skin right now? Oh my gosh. This barrier jelly is so thick and moisturizing and not greasy at all that when you put on a load amount before you go to sleep, it will boost your immune system on your skin. So on a lazy night where I don't want to do like a long skincare routine, this is a product that I will smother on before I go to sleep, and next day I will wake up with glowing skin. The name of this product is Abib Rice Probiotics Overnight Mask Barrier Jelly. It has probiotics. It will naturally boost your immune system on your skin, and you will look fresh, toned up, which you really need. Anyways, I am going to go to sleep now. Look at this glow. Anyways, bye girlies. Mwah.